Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I have the latest Daphne's Diary to do a flip through. This is number 4 of 2024, and it's the 100th issue, so it's much weightier, and there are 150 pages, but the downside of that is it's £10.95, which is, I think, about £3 more than normal. £3 or £4. I think it's maybe £6.99 normally. So yeah, £3-4 extra, but it's the only magazine that I buy these days. So happy to pay that, and we'll see whether the extras are worth it. So yeah. So obviously right away we've got the lovely illustrations, yeah, and this one. Look at how cute that is, with the girl sitting at her desk, journaling. And a little thank you from Daphne. Well, 100 thank yous. So I hope I'm getting all of this in, because it's quite tricky. Daphne is quite a long magazine, a tall magazine, so I'm hoping I get the most of the pages in for you. Let me just reach up and see. I think I'm nearly there. Obviously, what's in the magazine, an index page, and the usual travel. A visit this month to Dutch, so Netherlands. Lovely. The travel pages are always very inspirational. Lovely. Jazz up your pot, so can do up some old pots. Oh, with buttons, there's an idea. I have pots and pots of buttons. A story around Lake Garda in Italy by bike, so another little travel log. Poem, insect repellent plants. I'll maybe need to pay attention to that now that we're going to be moving to a place with a little garden. This illustration's a little bit different from the usual style. Yeah, maybe they've got a different illustrator. Cake toppers to cut out, quite like this. Very sort of 50s looking. And then numbers to cut out. These are on thicker pages. And if you weren't using the numbers, there's the pattern on the other side. Home, in fact, that's a tearaway page, which means you can take that out without spoiling the magazine, which is good. It's perforated. Home recipes, no, home remedies. A letters page. Cuddling cows or puppy yoga. Spending time with animals. There we go. Puppy yoga. I'm not sure I could do that with Millie. You can't really train greyhounds. So wrapping up gifts in a special way. Lovely. 5 blue zones where people live longer than in the rest of the world. See, again, that's a different sort of illustration than the normal Daphne. That's actually quite vintage looking, with the colours and the way that it's drawn. So here's a page. These are usually stickers. Are these stickers? Yes, these are stickers. So that's nice. Can decorate some Happy Mail. Leftover day. So some recipes to use leftovers. Sustainable jewellery, an article about a person that does that. Oh, and here's the 100, the World of Daphne 100 covers. And a blank cover. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. It doesn't say. Maybe you have to draw your own cover. Don't know. We want to thank you. That's nice. Illustration there. City trip to Copenhagen. There we are. And there's the Little Mermaid. Lovely. From prehistoric wall paintings to graffiti. Blooming bottles, how to make them. So you're making flowers out of a bottle. Layer cake with lemon curd, yum. So what are these? Oh, this is postcards, I think. Yeah, these are nice. Could actually use them as in your journal. Now I think with Daphne, you can use the things in a journal, but you can't sell the journal. So you can use the things in your own personal journal. See, again, this illustration is much bolder and brighter than what they normally have. So what does this person do? Choosing pictures, she cuts thousands of images out by hand. Oh, so she's fussy cutting and then sticking them on the wall. Wow. Yeah, there she's there. There's some mushrooms she's cut out. There she's in the middle of all the things she's to cut out. Oh, God. I don't mind fussy cutting one or two things, but a whole wall full. So there's where you can get the magazine, uniquemagazines.co.uk or expressmag.com. I get mine in Glasgow, High Street, and on W.H. Smith, and not High Street, Argyle Street. Actually, it was hubby that ran in for me today because I was at work, and he ran in to the town and got it, and then he messaged me. He's like, how much is Daphne usually? And I'm like, £6.99. He says, well, it was £10. What was it? He was shocked. It's £10.95. I'm like, oh. I was like, oops. I say, oh well. And then when they got it home, I says, look, there's why it's dearer. It's invitations, and again this is perforated, so that's nice, and these are quite thick. There's some calendar, and again these aren't the normal style, but I'm liking it. See, it's very different from what they normally do, maybe because it's the 100th. Maybe. This person makes miniatures for dolls' houses. That must take lots of patience. And here's lamps. So I think what there is there's more articles about people making things. The connection between your body and your mind. And then here's a calendar. August. 100 issues of Daphne's diary. That's a nice illustration there. Montenegro. So another travel one. Here's things made from paper. That's lovely. Wow. Tree trunk game. So there we go. La Casa Vecchia, Italy. So I think that's a place you can go your holidays. Lovely. A page from a reader's diary. And then what is this? This is different. These are pop out. Are they? So this is to pop out, and it's all joined. A row of, they seem to be on a strip of paper, and then you can pop them out. I don't want to tear them, but they're all joined, and then I don't know what, there's not an explanation. Maybe you just, and they're double-sided. Maybe they're just for decoration, don't know. And these are pop out too, these recipes. Oh, pancake rolls and salmon and cucumber. That's what we had for our dinner last night. But it wasn't pancakes, it was a bagel. It was lovely. Bagel, cream cheese and salmon. Yum. There's a story from Daphne. And what's this? Refurbished vases. So he's doing a wee bit of a pottery thing. Flowers and foliage between tea bags. Oh, that's what we do in the old junk journals. Use our tea bags. Here's an idea to put dried flowers in between and put it in a little frame. Lovely. Daphne's shop. I'm never parting with this. Another story. And a whole year of colour for your garden. So it tells you what to plant. Petunias, geraniums, dahlias, lavender, roses, violets. Wow. Oh, and more in the autumn, in the winter. Right, so that's spring, summer. And here's the poster. And it's usually a perforated. Let's pull the whole thing out. That was like, let's call the whole thing off. That's all. So, oh, seems to be, oh, it's a garland. Ah. So we're to cut this out and then string it up, maybe? That's a bit different. Usually it's one big picture. Complete the drawing and finish colouring in. Well, that's making my eyes go a bit funny. All those stripes. Sometimes you see something that isn't what it seems. Oh, it's these kind of optical illusions. At first, I just saw a rat, but if you look closely, you can see a man's head. Oh yes, I saw the man's head first, and then I saw the rat. There are other animals hidden in this picture of a dog. Oh, I just saw two cats, but I see the dog now. Oh, here's more. Oh, here's these concertina kind of rosette things and some nice paper to make them. Butterflies. And there's some book recommendations. And a puzzle. Which bag is she going to buy? And then they give you lots of clues and you have to find out which bag it is. And then at the end, 9th of July, the day before we move. I wonder if I'll be a bit busy that day to go into Glasgow and buy the Daphne. I'll be in a cardboard box fort, surrounded with cardboard boxes. And there's the back page. That's nice too. Yeah, so what do you think? Do you think it's worth the extra few pounds? There is a lot more in it. I think a lot more articles, a lot more reading. So yeah, I'm happy I got it. It's a real treat. So thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.